Hello children, hope you all are safe. Children, in this module we will do revision of chapter 7. Okay, so let's start. First question is from exercise 7a. Here the question is Sanjay and Suresh ate 1 by 5 and 2 by 5 of pizza respectively. What portion of pizza did they eat together? So let's start our solution. Here Sanjay ate 1 by 5 portion of pizza. Okay, so we'll write Sanjay ate and Suresh ate 2 by 5 part of pizza. Now here the question is how much portion of pizza did they eat together? So together is there, so will be what? We will add, we will sum up. Now 1 by they ate together is equal to 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. See there, these are like fraction because they are having denominator same. So in like fraction we will just add the numerator, and by adding we will get 3 by 5. That is our answer. Now in next question, out of his salary Rohan spent 1 by 5 on rent and 1 by 3 on food and 1 by 6 on clothes. What fraction of his salary does he save? First we suppose, let us suppose the salary of the fraction of his salary is 1. Whole salary is 1. Now 1 by 5 he spends fraction of 1 by 5 fraction of his salary on rent. So we'll write fraction of salary spent on rent is equal to what? 1 by 5. Now we will see the fraction of salary spent on what? Its food is equal to 1 by 3. Now the fraction of salary spent on clothes is equal to 1 by 6. So first we will write this statement. Okay, sorry, 1 by 3. Now first we will write this statement. Okay, then after what we will do? First we will add all these fraction of salary spent on rent, food and clothes respectively, isn't it? So let's add 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. See, in this case all the denominator are different, so we will take LCM. Now first we will take the LCM, and after taking the LCM we will multiply 3, 2 and 5, and we get what? We get 3, 5 2 10 and 10 plus 3, 10 into 3, 30. Now we'll write under 30. Now first we divide it by the numerator and then we will multiply it by numerator. In the same, we will in all the cases we will do the same thing. First we will divide with the denominator, then we will multiply. Now 30 divide 5 gives 6, into 1 6, 3 divide 10 into 1 10, and 30 divide by 6 we get 5. Now after multiplying, adding, we get 21 by 30 is the total expenditure that he has done on his food, rent and clothes. Now we know that the fraction of amount left with us in this question, what we will do? We will subtract from his salary. Now we have already considered that his total salary is 1. So we will 1 minus 21 by 30. In case there is nothing in the denominator of 1, so we will consume. It means it is having 1. After taking LCM we get 30, and now first we divide and then multiply with the same process. Now 30 into 1 it gives 30, and 21 into 1 into 21 gives 21. Now minus 21 is equal to 7. Now 7 by 30 is your answer. I hope children you all have understood. Now do lots of revision for your test. Thank you children. Take care.